I practically do reviews of Safe Club just about every day. Sometimes I phrase it like I'm going to do a full review at least once a week, but after I watch my YouTube channel, I put out so much content with Save Club. I do about 5 to 7 reviews a day. Okay. I think I have over 300 and something videos already produced for Save Club. I'm a big fan. The money's there. The savings are there. And I think that you're going to have a darn good chance, if you want to join, to be successful. It's $19.97 a month. That's it. There's no cash grab. I'm not making millions of dollars and running to the hills to go count my cash. It's $60 to get a badass website and a capture page where you can promote a link to that page where you're going to watch a video. You don't have to do video like I'm doing. There's already videos made that you can use. For $60, you got videos, pictures, you got support. I want to invite you to some really nice Facebook group pages. And on top of that, you're not embarrassed about Save Club. You're like, this is a pretty darn cool opportunity. You're saving money and making money. So let me just show you the links that I use. Okay. So here we go. You ready? All right. I'm going to disappear here. There you go, guys. Save Club. Okay. Repeat after me. joinsaveclub.org. That's the official way to join. And then if you need a little help, you might think, oh man, I'm stuck. I need help. Go to the Save Club funnels. It's $25 for that funnel. Just look at it. Click that link, watch the video, and see why I've been able to sign up almost 100 people as I burp here on June 5th. We officially kicked off June 1st. So in 5 days, we're hauling ass. We're signing up people worldwide. And that's going to be Asia to Africa, to Arkansas, to Alabama, up to good old Canada, down below to Mexico, and yes, way down under, right there in good old Australia. How about New Zealand, Brazil, Iceland, Greenland, any city, any state, any country, we're going to have deals available. So just hang tight, guys. We're building big teams right now. This is going to be a big deal. It's probably going to be your best chance to really kick ass online and hang out at home. Work on your laptop, computer, maybe you just have a cell phone. Save Club is geared towards all three. All you got to do is just post. He who posts the most, he or she who posts the most, usually raises their glass and has a toast. And they say, man, this is awesome. I'm making money and saving money. So those are the 2 links that I use. joinsaveclub.org. Click it, watch that little video, and fill out the little contact information. Click the orange button. You'll see. It's easy. You're going to get a Save Club email. Open it up and you can join. Or go to the funnel system. It's $25. And if you think you're stuck, then I think you should look into the funnel system. And besides, with the funnel system, you can pay for traffic. So if you don't want to post on social media or do a video like I'm doing, and you just have a budget for paid traffic, searching for people to make money at home, how to save money online. There's all these key phrases. You can buy this traffic, but you got to go to a funnel system. So for $25, I think Save Club Funnels, it's a life changer, game changer. It's going to really help you get out of a rut, okay? But you don't have to do it. It's just salt and pepper to something that's already pretty tasty, and that is Save Club. So go to both these links, joinsaveclub.org. Go ahead and just appreciate everything. Just sit and go, man, I think I'm going to dig this funnel. I'm going to dig the website. I dig how simple everything is. I just sit there and I appreciate what's in front of me. And right now the money's coming in. The website, it's perfect. I haven't had any complaints whatsoever about the web design and how to figure out how to use the membership side. What most people get a hold of me about is how to market, and I love it. You can email me anytime. You can see my links right there on the page there, Cory at CoryDraper.com. And I try to keep things just fun and simple. I don't try to overanalyze this business because the website and the videos do all the recruiting. I do a video like this because I can put it on YouTube and it lasts for a long time. So I can get thousands of views over a period of time where people will go to joinsaveclub.org and then people might check out the funnel system. But the funnel has brought me another $920 as of this morning because when people sign up for the funnel, the company pays me $20 and they'll pay you $22. So please look into the funnel system. I think it's going to really help you out. And on top of that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's real simple. All you got to do is Go ahead and click. I don't know. I use a browser. What is it? Google. Oh, what's it called? Google Chrome. Go ahead and just bookmark it, and you guys will figure it out. It's not too tough. But if you're watching my YouTube video now, you're probably already subscribed to my YouTube channel. I do 5 to 7 videos at least a day about Save Club. I'm a real big fan of this. So just look into it, okay? All right, guys. I'll go ahead and end my video here at 5 minutes and a half, and join saveclub.org. Join the official way, and then look at the funnel system too, okay? All right, I'm done. You guys, thank you. It's Cory at CoryDraper.com if you need me. I'm easy to get a hold of. Don't worry, I'm not shy. If you've signed up in another group, another team, I'm more than happy to help you if I can, okay? All right, thanks, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.